Building a clothing brand on Instagram requires planning and patience, akin to creating a capsule wardrobe. The right strategies can elevate your apparel brand, drawing in your target audience effectively. Instagram is fast-paced and competitive, presenting numerous opportunities for clothing businesses to thrive. A brand-focused strategy can drive traffic, boost sales, and cultivate loyal community followers. Crafting an engaging Instagram strategy involves utilizing tools to share captivating stories with your audience. However, visibility is a challenge due to fierce competition and rapid growth in the fashion sector. Start by creating a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals and budgeting. Define your niche, target audience, and analyze competitors to get an upper hand in the market. Develop a brand identity with a unique mission, values, and selling propositions that stand out. Once confident, create unique clothing designs that reflect your brand identity and values seamlessly. Partner with reliable manufacturers to ensure quality production at a reasonable price point. Next, set up an Instagram business account, complete with a branded profile picture and engaging bio. Your username should be memorable and resonate with your overall brand identity on the platform. Once established, submit your account for review to enable Instagram shopping for your products. This gives customers access to view and shop directly from your Instagram feed and stories seamlessly. To enhance user experience, craft a visually appealing and unique grid that attracts potential customers. Realize that your Instagram grid is often the first impression users get of your brand. A thoughtfully designed grid can significantly increase conversion rates from visitors to followers. Keep your product photo uploads uniform and simple, complementing the aesthetics of your overall feed. Ensure your products stand out by using clean backgrounds and clear, high-quality images. Don't forget that Instagram thrives on high-resolution photos that capture attention instantly. Engaging photography tells a story and drives more user involvement. Think relatable visuals. Captions and hashtags enhance your posts, adding context and driving user engagement effectively. Use action words to prompt followers to engage and look for appropriate hashtags that fit your market. Turn your feed into a shoppable experience, allowing users to buy products conveniently. Leverage Instagram shopping by tagging products in your reels and feed posts effortlessly. It's essential to maintain an attractive storefront, showcasing your best items creatively. Instagram features, such as stories and reels, boost visibility and engagement among your audience. Cross-promote your content across various platforms to tap into different audience segments effectively. Utilize influencer collaborations and relevant paid ads to widen your reach and notoriety. As Instagram shapes fashion trends, it's the ideal platform to launch your clothing brand presence. Gain an edge by mastering these methods and let your cloth-centric story inspire the world.